Hala.
We've seen a lot of it. They didn't do any waterproofing. So what happens is the moment you got water drip
It's
inside,
there.
it goes into the concrete slab, it spreads. Then it
Dami
drips
na
on
siya.
the weakest link. That's why
Is the bird is there?
now the thing that you can do is this. Say test as in you don't use this area, keep this dry for at least 2 to 3 weeks you wait for the place then if it's really the place also dry up, fine. Then after that you carry on using. Then if you carry on using, within a week you see that it's dripping, then what we can do is this bathtub close. Alright, you can take away this one. Either that you convert it to a standing shower. A lot of people are doing that right now because already cannot worry it's slippery and all this one out. Then convert it to a standing shower.
Okay. So don't do first.
Yeah.
Nothing to repair, then nothing to repair.
Yeah. We have seen worst case when we open up, inside is all water on
Oh.
because it's dry. I mean it's damn but not dry. Your drip, you
It
have,
wouldn't cause so much problem.
yeah, you have dripping.
Ayun, natakpan na siya.
You have a bit of
Hi, you go and fly, then I can see you.
But not enough to cause that kind of problem.
Oh, you go and eat the
a bit small puddle of water. But
flower,
it's
the
as
curry
bad as
leaves.
what
This is the curry leaves.
we have seen before where it literally drips outside, it's all flooded.
So could be through the gas.
Andyan pang amo ko sa likod ko.
The gaps are.
So is it?
Ay, wala na, hindi ko na
still
makita.
now? Do some
Nagtago na.
Even we do some sealant, when you step in, step out,
Ayun na.
so it was still
Ayun na,
dry and
bumalik
the
ka,
water was
bumalik
still
ka. Ayan.
Best is to.
Yeah, and the worst part is they didn't waterproof underneath. And the walls out here are all not waterproof. So if you follow the wall, it goes down.
Okay.
Ayan.
Right? This is something that showed up before many times.
You come, you fly. See. Come, I see. Ah, she flying. So big, the bird.